Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Larry Bose and today I'll be making a vlog and this is my first vlog ever. So I just woke up right now. As you guys can see my puffy face and my hair. Can you guys just ignore my hair? I think you can't. Today I have to wash because my hair is super greasy, oily, frizzy and whatnot. This is my first vlog, so बहुत पकाने तो वाली हूँ and I'm very excited and nervous at the same time. चलिए देखते हैं क्या करती हूँ आज मैं. ओह, कोरोना बहुत बढ़ चुका है तो आज मैं घर पे ही रहूँगी. आप लोग भी घर पे रहिए. अगर बाहर निकलना है तो मास्क पहन के जाइए. That's all. Now let's go. ऑल्सो मैंने उठ के बेड बना लिया है एंड अ लिटिल OOTD अपडेट. दिस टी शर्ट इज़ फ्रॉम पैंटालून्स एंड ये कच्चा लोकल मार्केट से है. नाउ आई एम गोना गो एंड ब्रश माई टीथ. आफ्टर ब्रशिंग माई टीथ मैं सीधा यहाँ पे आके बैठ जाती हूँ बिकॉज I have to do a minimal skincare routine which is very minimal. I'm going to show you. These are the two products which I use in the morning. मैं फेस वॉश से भी नहीं मूव होती, only just plain water. Then I use this Kama Ayurveda rose water and after that I use a SPF. Just a little update. मैं नीचे के कमरे में आ चुकी हूँ and this is my mom's room. I just love this room. I don't know why. I get so much cozy vibes. I think you guys can understand just mom things. And I did my minimal skincare routine and can you guys see a pimple over here? I think you can. And on Insta you guys always ask me what I do for my pimples, how I treat them, how I get rid of them. So I use this gel. This is the clindamycin phosphate gel and पैकेजिंग की बहुत ही बुरी हालत हो चुकी है. And my dermat has prescribed me few years back and it retails for 200 rupees. I guess you guys can find it in any medical store. It's a magical product, like just give it a try and you will thank me later, but do a patch test before using this one. Now I'm gonna do my breakfast, but before breakfast my immunity के लिए एक चीज़ लेती हूँ which I will share with you all. So let's see. So this is the haldi and to balance the taste I take some gur which is really good for our health. So that's what I take for my immunity. It's breakfast time and for breakfast I ate some Kellogg's and water of course. Why I eat cornflakes, actually cornflakes not Kellogg's, because दिन की शुरुआत healthy से करना चाहिए. That's what I think, my method. And then I eat junk whole day, but I start with some cornflakes first. I need to wash my hair badly. मैंने बांध के रखा है इसीलिए, otherwise I look like Monica. If you guys watch Friends, you know what I'm talking about. And right now it's 10:30 AM and these days I don't feel like making content for my Insta because of this whole corona situation. So currently I'm reading this book, A Walk to Remember by Nicholas Spark, and I'm really liking it. Although it's gifted by my boyfriend, that is also a reason why I was reading it. But overall, I really love this book. You guys can give it a try if you want. So now I will complete this book. That's the ultimate goal.
I will complete this book. That's the ultimate goal for today.
I thought why not to share my shower care products with you all. So चलिए देखते हैं. I got this all products out from my bathroom to show you guys. So for the shower gel, it's not a shower gel by the way, it's a shower cream by Body Shop in the flavor Shea. just love this one. You have to get this. And for the shampoo, I use L'Oreal's Extraordinary Clay shampoo. This is really nice if you have oily scalp like me. And I don't use a conditioner, instead I use a mask. This is by L'Oreal Extenso Care. If you guys have watched my hair care routine video, you know I use this for almost 3 years now. And for serum, and for serum, again, it's by L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. Most of the products are by L'Oreal only. I just realized it now. Hey guys, hi. I took a shower and right now it's 2:30 and it's so hot. I think 40 degrees. Now I'm going to have my lunch. आज मम्मी ने chicken and rice बनाए हैं, which is my favorite. So lunch करके आप लोगों से मिलते हैं. And here is my lunch. Chicken, rice, and this is piyaj posto. If you are a bong, then you will know what it is. And it's a papaya. Like, I have to eat this no matter what I feel.
Like, I have to eat this no matter what I feel.
35 and I got ready to shoot some creative self-portrait for my Insta, and this is my look. Just a basic makeup with a dark lipstick. I will mention the lipstick shade on the description below. And this is my outfit. I love this outfit so much. I don't remember the brand right now, but again I will mention it in the description box. And I also did a braid which will give a vintage look. So yeah, let's go and shoot some content. Hi bird. Do you guys love to watch sunset? If you are, then please comment down below, because I am obsessed with sunsets and just love it. So I shot few pictures, you guys can see here, and now it's 6 PM, so it's chai biscuit time. So I will have my tea right now. Family will have some karaoke session. I'm gonna post few clips.
Hi everyone.
Hi Dad.
ऐसा किसी ने मेरा तोड़ा, बर्बादी की तरफ ऐसा मोड़ा.
Meet with my mom. আমার ব্যাপারে কিছু বলো, প্রাউড ফিল করো? না,
Proud feel করো না.
মজা করছিলাম। লাহোরি নিজের থেকে যে এত দূরে গেছে এর জন্য আমি খুব খুশি।
Ending this vlog here only. I hope you guys liked the video. This was my first time ever. It will really mean a lot to me if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what other videos you want me to do, and I shall see you in my next video.